So sometimes, even though you have a sealed compartment for your antifreeze and coolant, it will still dissipate because of using it primarily, of course, in the wintertime, such as what I'm about to show. I know I don't have a leak or anything, but it's definitely gotten pretty low to what it was, and so of course I have the specified Dex Cool that I need. Every car is different, so make sure to research yours before doing something similar to this, if you should do so on your own. With that said, I'll show you just the easy way to do this. First thing is first, you want to make sure that your engine is cold because of pressure buildup. If you open it while it's hot, you could really have yourself a bad time. Let's just put it that way. So with that said, this has been off all night, so I have nothing to worry about. It's winter time. It's going to be cold. There's going to be no pressure, etc. You're going to be fine. So first things first, put these down so it doesn't interfere with that. Pop the hood. Don't turn the car on. Leave it off with this. Alright. So I'm working with a 2008 Chevrolet Malibu LT. So just to keep that in mind, all vehicles are pretty much different, but nevertheless, as can be seen, it's supposed to be about right there, but it's all the way down here instead. So, open it up. Place it as such. Now, if you want, you can just do it by hand, or you can put a valve or whatever to help drain. There you go, you add that. Make sure that it's clean of oil or other what have yous before doing so, of course. And then begin to add. Now, I purposely, because it's winter time, add just a little bit more than what I should, for the fact that I'm going to be using it much more. Alright, pull it out. And now, although from my understanding you don't have to mandatorily, but turn on the engine to get any pressure out, and so it can suck in any of what it needs to. Course, put this on and tighten it real good, because this is kind of an important thing, so make sure that's on real good. Alright, now you're going to let it idle. You'll enter your vehicle, have the heat all the way over here, and then put it to 1. Now, from here, you'll just let it idle, and you should be fine. So you've refilled coolant. It's going to be a little bit more than what it should be, but that's fine, because it's going to go down a little bit because of the high usage during the winter. Again, for the 2008 Chevrolet Malibu, this is what I use. That's literally all there is to it. It's that easy.